In today's video, I'm going to teach you the ultimate beginner guide on how to use Anytype in 2026. To get started, download Anytype from the official website, then launch the app on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're using the official source so you know you're getting the latest and safest version. Once the app opens, you'll be ready to begin setting up your workspace. Next, create your new account. During this process, you'll receive a recovery phrase. This part is extremely important. Write that recovery phrase down on paper and store it somewhere safe. It's the only way to restore your private, encrypted data if you ever lose access to your device. Don't skip this step, and don't rely on memory alone. Once you're inside Anytype, take a moment to explore the main workspace. Focus on the left sidebar because that's where most of your navigation begins. You'll usually find your home dashboard there, along with links to key areas and your settings. Spending a minute here helps you feel oriented before you start creating content. When you're ready to make your first item, click the plus button at the bottom of the sidebar. This lets you create your first object. You can choose a page, a note, or a task, depending on what you want to capture. Pages are great for larger collections of information, notes work well for quick ideas, and tasks are useful when you want something actionable. After creating your object, start adding content. On a new line, type a / to open the block menu. This is one of the most useful features in Anytype because it allows you to build content visually and flexibly. From here, you can insert headings, images, callouts, or checklist items to organize information in a way that makes sense to you. You can also make your objects more powerful by adding relations. Relations let you assign custom details like status, date, author, or tags. Think of these as attributes that help structure your information, making it easier to sort, filter, and manage later. To connect your notes and pages together, type the @ symbol followed by the name of another object. This creates links between items and helps you build an interconnected web of knowledge instead of isolated documents. From the sidebar menu, create a set to gather similar objects in one place. Sets are especially helpful because they let you view your information as a table, list, or board, depending on how you prefer to work. Finally, open the graph view to see how your pages, notes, and ideas connect in real time. It's a great way to understand the bigger picture of your knowledge base. Now you're ready to build your personal knowledge base with Anytype.